It's been a day, stressing out like crazy. Just wanna be lazy with my girls. It's been a day, we gonna get wavy. Layer on some diamonds and some pearls. Maybe we could go to the mall, get our nails done, get our hair done, we fly. Maybe we could holler at the boys.
Hi guys, today we have a special guest. Hi!
Hello!
We walk tall, our heads held high, cause we so motherfucking.
Hello! Welcome back to my channel!
My name is Haejin
I'm Paige.
and this is 2B. Today we are going to draw Ariana
Grande!
Ooh. We are both illustrators. I met Paige and Risty, and we both studied illustration. We graduated a couple of years ago. And we're both working as an illustrator.
We used to share a studio together and we love to listen to Ariana Grande.
What's your favorite song?
My favorite song is Break Free.
My favorite song is Focus.
It's a good one.
Yeah, we love Ariana Grande because she's cute and she sings really well. She's very talented. I think she's very strong.
Strong, confident.
Confident, iconic.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're gonna draw Ariana Grande.
What are you gonna draw her doing?
Yeah.
Draw her like,
I think we should draw her imaginative stuff.
okay, just like,
Just like your drawings.
draw her with like a big head.
Oh, yeah.
This is like live drawing. Hey.
You can do this.
Okay, thank you.
That's how I knew it.
I hope Ariana Grande likes us.
I guess I never loved you, and that's okay with me. Cause someday I'll love someone like I love me. Might have to wait a little, and that's okay with me. Okay, 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 okay with me. Okay, 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 I would tell you everything I believed in, but you said shut it off, you're too old for dreaming. So I did my best to feel what you're feeling. But what about what I want? What about what I want? Cause what I wanted was to laugh at the way you laugh at the way I laugh. But instead you were moody and you wanted me.
We did it!
Yay.
So this is our sketches. My Ariana Grande is just waving at people.
Yeah, she's singing on the stage in my drawing.
Yeah, we're very excited to paint now.
Yes.
Okay, so I use these set of brushes. I maybe use like 2 of them. And I have watercolor palette and I let them dry overnight. Yeah.
I have these 3 brushes. These are my favorite brushes. They're pretty old. They're from Michael's Crafts. I've got these Higgins inks and quite a few different colors, and these are what I like to paint with. And I use a paper palette. As you can, it's a little wet, but here it is.
Think back to you, I feel the same every time.
Are you ready?
I'm ready
For what?
to paint Ariana Grande.
So Paige likes to sketch out and outline her drawing before she colors, and I like to just go with it.
I'ma buy a mansion for my mama when I finally make it. Take all my vacations to Bahamas, always celebrating. Ever since my birthday was the bomb, and now I'm detonating. No, you can't relate, you just can't relate. Every day I wake up like a boss, and I be thanking Jesus. Fakers trying to get up in my circle, I don't really need them. We been saying we up next forever, now we really mean it. We about that action, acting bad shit when you see us, yeah. I'm passionate, I work hard so when it pop, it ain't on accident. Yeah, I'm always on go, better watch how I go. Don't forget to let you know I be ballin'. I would drop it out, buy a house in New Orleans. Up the ante and I'm sure I'm important. Win a Grammy, I be ballin' like I'm Jordan. While you hear the snoring, I be busy scoring. I would drop it out, buy a house in New Orleans. Up the ante and I'm sure I'm important. Win a Grammy, I be ballin' like I'm Jordan. While you hear the snoring, I be busy ballin', 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 ballin'. Yeah, I be busy ballin', ballin', ballin'. Ooh, boy, I be cashing checks like it ain't shit. Loose leaf in it. When we go out, always in the VIP. Whole crew be lit. Running my money up. Watch it all fall from the sky. I ain't picking up. That's $6 on the line. You know I ain't got the time. I be busy on the move. People wonder how I made it here. They ain't see me paying dues. I was living check to check. Now I'm whipping something new. Better pay me my respect. I ain't never gonna lose. I'll be ballin'. I would drop it out, buy a house in New Orleans. Up the ante and I'm sure I'm important. With a Grammy, I be ballin' like I'm Jordan. While you hear the snoring, I be busy scoring. I would drop it out, buy a house in New Orleans. Up the ante and I'm sure I'm important. With a Grammy, I be ballin' like I'm Jordan. While you hear the snoring, I be busy ballin', 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 ballin'. Yeah, I be busy ballin', ballin', ballin'. Ooh, boy, I be busy ballin', 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 ballin'. Yeah, I be busy ballin', ballin', ballin'. Ooh, boy. It's been a day, stressing out like crazy. Just wanna be lazy with my girls. It's been a day, we gonna get wavy. Layer on some diamonds and some pearls. Maybe we could go to the mall, get our nails done, get our hair done, we fly. Maybe we could holler at the boys, looking so good, whistle when they walk by. Cause we know what they want, but we just laugh. Yeah, we won't let them get away with that. We walk tall, our heads held high. Cause we so motherfucking fly. Yeah, wings of gold, we touch the sky. Bad bitches till we die. We so fly. Too many smoke up just to show how we get down. It's been a night, we know how to party, dancing like there's no one else around. You know I be looking so fine, body like mine, wearing these boots thigh high. Bitches in the corner with wine, staring cause we never get stuck in line. We can't help it, we just look so snug. We look so good. Yeah, we're the ones the boys are looking at. We walk tall, our heads held high. Cause we so motherfucking fly. Yeah, wings of gold, we touch the sky. Bad bitches till we die. We so fly. I used to take myself out on dates, open my own damn doors, pay for everything on my plate. Sometimes I'd even get the steak, cause I got it like that. Always had my own bag, never needed no man to rely on. Got 2 good shoulders to cry on. I was alright on my own till I fell, but it wasn't fate. And I couldn't tell at the time, but I was my own soulmate. It's like I forgot I was fine, let you treat me any kind of way. Now I'm free, you gotta celebrate. You couldn't see everything and stay. That I wasn't afraid to say, yeah. If I gotta choose me, I won't be afraid to. If I gotta choose me, I gotta do what I gotta do. When I love you, I lose me. Now I can't be attached to you no more. I like me better when I wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better, I like me better, yeah, yeah. I like me better, I like me better when I wasn't yours. I like me better, I like me better, yeah, yeah, yeah. I gave you all that you asked of me. You like the view from behind, but you won't make an ass of me. That's why I'm saying goodbye. Hopping out my feelings, get to the money. Gotta keep it 100. Leaving you ain't really took nothing from me. So don't come looking for me. I'm that bitch and I have it. You forgot, but I have it.
How's
It
it
was just a
going,
new
Paige?
habit.
Really
So I'ma
good.
disappear like magic.
I really like
I'm
my
that bitch
painting
and
of
I have
Ariana
it.
Grande.
You forgot, but I have it. Now you
Wow.
wish that you had it.
I like the boots.
Thank you.
That's a cool boots.
Yeah, I like how they came out.
If I gotta choose me, I gotta do what I gotta do. When I love you, I lose me. No, I can't be attached to you no more. I like me better when I wasn't yours.
This is my Ariana Grande, and I really like her shirt, how this kind of like pink shirt turned out. It's pretty cute. I think she'll wear it. And I really like her hair, her ponytail, how it turned out. I like her eyes, I like her earrings. Yeah, I think overall I'm really happy with the painting, and I hope she likes it. I hope you guys like it.
This is my painting of Ariana Grande. I love how it came out. I think it's cute and fun, and she looks sassy. And I like how I gave her these purple butterfly wings for fun. And I really love her outfit, and I would love to wear it myself. So I'm pretty
Sure.
happy with how it came out.
Yeah. Tubi, what do you think?
I think they are both really, really good.
So smart, Tubi.
Thank you. I hope you guys liked this video, and I hope you guys like Ariana Grande. Yeah, please subscribe to my channel. I hope to bring more guests like Paige. And you can follow Paige on Instagram. What's your handle?
My handle is my name, Paige Mayer.
Please follow me on haejinduck. And you guys can, if you want to purchase this painting, I don't know how much it will be, but it will be online on our shops. Link. And
Thanks for having me on haejinduck YouTube.
did you like it?
I had so much fun.
Yeah. Yes. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.